Hello, everybody. Bobby Francis for Full Tilt Weather here. I've intercepted over 4,000 tornadoes, 120 tropical storms, and countless snow events over the years. 30 years in meteorology. We're going to go through the setup here of the day before Christmas. Actually, we're going to touch some of the 22nd. This forecast is going to be between the 22nd and the 24th. So this is going to be our primary area right here. This is the NAMS medium range model. So we're going through, I've already talked about on the page this possibility this afternoon of some snow right around Ruidoso, New Mexico. Moving forward into the 22nd, right about here. Models are expecting there to be lighter snow in the Panhandle and along the Oklahoma border. This is very likely. Some of this could extend all the way into north of Little Rock, Arkansas. Some models have been putting it kind of north of Little Rock, Arkansas, right along the I-40 corridor, right about here. Okay, so we're going to go to the long-range models now. So, as you can see, the long-range models has that a little bit differently, that Arkansas is kind of considered under the area. Both of these could occur coming into tomorrow afternoon into the morning. That's kind of the time frame for this, something I've kept a really close eye on. We'll see how that goes. Shouldn't be anything too major. We're just talking about a small dusting, like below a half an inch. And then we move into the 22nd here. And this is going to be into Christmas. So the southern side is showing right here around the Panhandle, most of Oklahoma and northern Arkansas. There has been a lot of variation that some of this could move down along the I-20 line. That's very possible, which is about right here. I-20 goes right about like that. But Louisiana, Texas, the Panhandle, I do believe this model is wrong. I think the Panhandle of Texas will definitely see more snow than this. But how far it will push down into the Red River area is definitely up for discussion. Models have bounced that around a whole lot, or even the Arklatex region. But moving forward, we're going to go ahead and move into the Midwest area. As we can see today, or tomorrow afternoon, Kansas, Missouri, western side of Missouri, all the way up into portions of Michigan here, which Michigan's seen snow today already. Moving this over, that's a continuous thing, and here comes your blasting cold front, which is pulling tons of moisture. We're going to go out to about, let's say, 160. This area right here, from Michigan to north and central Illinois, is the primary area for the largest amounts of snow to occur, and the northwestern side of Indiana. Models have been dancing around between 1.5 to 3 feet of snow possible in this line. Numerous models have numerous different outcomes. This is kind of going to be our primary area, though. Northern Michigan headed down into central Illinois and northwest Indiana. But pretty much everywhere in the north is going to be seeing a large amount of snow. We're talking a foot or just above, just below. This is what's been trending with extremely cold temperatures. This cold front's expected. I actually do not have the pull up for temperature. We're going to have to go over surface temperature. So here's your temperatures for that area. So negative. All this in white is negative. So -2 to -14. Extremely cold. We're going to go ahead and push up into the Great Lakes region here and talk about this. Roughly the same thing happening here as the cold front begins to eject into Canada at this point, because it's expected to form right around Wyoming area and moving up along this line right up in here, moving south of Regina, Canada, that area, or let's say 300 miles west of Thunder Bay, right along that area right through there. And as you can see, these numbers are extremely high right through this area. I don't know for sure if this is 100% true, but there could be some massive amounts of snow along this line. If I was going to chase this line, I will probably be closer to the Arklatex. But if I was going to chase this line full out, this would be the area I would go to. You know, some of this area could see real close to 30 feet of snow. This is a definite possibility. I don't think media has fully got a hold of this possibility yet, but there's definitely some snow risk right through here. And we'll switch it over to temperature. And there's your temperature. Expecting, at that point it kind of cooled off, so we go back a little bit. Right through here is where it's happening. 24, 22. I'd got some questions about Michigan or Illinois being a little too warm for this. Through the day, the early morning, whenever the line comes through, that might be a possibility, but the next couple of days, that's not really expected as your low just gathers and starts to move away right there. But that's kind of what we're looking at, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. Thank you all for watching the video. Please follow, like, share. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out of here.